Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a fellowship character reference letter. What is a fellowship character reference letter? A fellowship character reference letter is a formal letter, written by an individual who knows the fellowship applicant well, such as a professor, employer, or mentor, to vouch for their character, qualifications, and suitability for a specific fellowship program. This letter emphasizes the applicant's personal attributes, leadership qualities, and professional or academic achievements. It is intended to provide insight into the candidate's integrity, work ethic, passion, and potential to contribute positively to the fellowship program. The letter serves as a personal endorsement, and helps the selection committee make an informed decision about the candidate's eligibility for the fellowship. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a fellowship character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as a sender. You can start with your full name. Under it, write your job title and the institution name. And write also the full address of your company. You can also add contact information like email address and phone number. For the next, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, day, and year. And then, write the recipient's information. It is usually for the organization or committee that will receive the letter. Therefore, you can write the full name of the committee, or individual if known. Write also the name of the fellowship program. And under it, write the full address, by mentioning the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also write the subject line, but it is optional. Simply, you can write character reference letter for, followed by the applicant's full name. After completing this information, you may open the letter with a formal salutation. You can write Dear, followed by the name of the committee. In the paragraph 1, you will write an introduction and relationship to the applicant. You should introduce yourself, your position, and your relationship with the applicant. This is to establish your credibility, and explains why you are qualified to provide a reference for the applicant. For example, you may write, I am writing to enthusiastically support Alex Martinez's application for the Global Health Leadership Fellowship. And then, mention how long you have known the applicant, and in what context, such as academic, professional, or personal. This will add depth to the relationship, showing that your knowledge of the applicant is based on meaningful interactions. And here is the example how you write it. As an associate professor of public health at the University of Global Health, I have had the distinct pleasure of working with Alex over the past 3 years, both in an academic setting and on various community health projects. After that, you can state the purpose of the letter, which is to support the applicant's application for the fellowship. You may write it this way. Alex's dedication to advancing global health, combined with their exemplary character, makes them an ideal candidate for this prestigious fellowship. In the paragraph 2, write the applicant's dedication and skills. You must highlight the applicant's dedication to the field, and their commitment to understanding key issues in the relevant area. You need to demonstrate the applicant's passion for the field, a critical trait for fellowship selection. For example is, Alex has consistently demonstrated a deep commitment to understanding and addressing complex health issues, particularly in underprivileged communities. And then, describe the applicant's key skills, such as research, analytical thinking, problem solving, and so on. And write also how these skills have been applied to real-world problems or research. This will provide concrete evidence of the applicant's abilities and intellectual potential. For example, you may write something like, their research on the social determinants of health has not only been academically rigorous, but has also shown a genuine concern for applying this knowledge to create real-world solutions. Still in the same paragraph, you can try to emphasize the applicant's ability to think critically and engage with various stakeholders or diverse groups. This should illustrate the applicant's capability to work effectively with others and adapt to different perspectives, which is important for leadership roles. Here is the example. Alex's ability to synthesize data, think critically, and engage with diverse stakeholders, highlights their potential as a future leader in global health. In the paragraph 3, this is where you write the applicant's character and interpersonal traits. Here, you should focus on the applicant's personal qualities, such as integrity, empathy, and compassion. By doing so, offer insight into the applicant's character, which complements their professional qualifications. For example beyond their academic excellence, Alex is a person of exceptional integrity and compassion. And then, highlight how the applicant handles challenges with a positive attitude, and inspires those around them. It should demonstrate the applicant's resilience and ability to motivate others, key traits for a fellowship recipient. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. They approach every challenge with positivity and resilience, inspiring those around them to strive for their best. After that, continue to describe the applicant's interpersonal skills, and how they interact with peers, faculty, and community members. It is important to show how the applicant's empathy and interpersonal skills will make them a strong community member during the fellowship. For example, you may write something like, Alex's empathy is evident in their interactions with peers, faculty, and community members, always showing respect and understanding for different perspectives and experiences. In the paragraph 4, write about leadership abilities. You need to mention the leadership roles the applicant has taken on, such as being president of a student organization or leading a project. It is to establish the applicant's leadership potential, a key consideration for fellowship selection. Here is the example. Moreover, Alex's leadership abilities have been evident in their role as president of the university's Global Health Student Organization. Not only that, you must also provide specific examples of how the applicant has led successful initiatives, organized events, or motivated others. Highlight real-world examples of leadership, providing evidence of the applicant's abilities to inspire and guide teams. You may write something like, under their guidance, the group successfully organized health awareness campaigns and fundraising events for international health initiatives, demonstrating Alex's capability to lead, motivate, and unite others towards a common goal. In the paragraph 5, it is where you write the applicant's fit for the fellowship program. You need to explain why the applicant is a good fit for the fellowship, connecting their skills and aspirations to the specific goals of the program. And show that the applicant aligns with the fellowship's mission, reinforcing their suitability. Simply, you may write, I firmly believe that the Global Health Leadership Fellowship will greatly benefit from Alex Martinez's participation. Not only that, but you can also emphasize how the fellowship will help the applicant further develop their skills and contribute to the field. Here is the example how you write it. Their innovative thinking, leadership qualities, and unwavering commitment to improving global health align perfectly with the goals of your fellowship program. And you need to demonstrate the mutual benefits of the applicant being selected for the fellowship, suggesting they will make significant contributions. If you have no idea what to write, you may copy this. I am confident that Alex will leverage this opportunity to further develop their skills and make significant contributions to the field of global health. In the paragraph 6, write your contact information, in case the recipient needs further details or clarification. Here, you need to show that you are open to follow-up inquiries, providing an avenue for more information. You may give your phone number and email address. For example please feel free to contact me at 617-555-0101, or helen.rivera@uni.edu, should you require further information or wish to discuss Alex's qualifications in more detail. After that, give your final endorsement. Reaffirm your strong recommendation of the applicant, summarizing their key traits and why they deserve the fellowship. It is to leave a positive and lasting impression. For example, you may write it this way. I wholeheartedly endorse Alex Martinez for the Global Health Leadership Fellowship, and look forward to witnessing the impact they will undoubtedly make in the global health community. In the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their time and consideration. You may simply write, "Thank you for considering my recommendation." And finally, you can end the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your job title, and the institution name. So, that's how you write a fellowship character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.